Imagine a no-code programming autonomous mobile robot, easy to integrate to get into a flow, efficiently, seamlessly, and straight away. Imagine maximum profitable automation based on KUKA standards. A fleet management tool that allows you to orchestrate all your AMRs in one instance. A broad portfolio that takes scalability to a new level. Continuously driven forward by an experienced partner who stands by your side. Ready to support you globally and with a rapid response service. A trusted brand delivering certified technology that makes it easy to meet all industry requirements. Think of the highest flexibility in production through 24/7 operation and 99% availability. Think of linking any number of machines in any order and of faster reactions to customer demands or product switches. Feel the unleashed potential of your workforce, resulting from increased productivity, step by step and beat by beat. Rely on predictable processes, brought to life by robots equipped with state-of-the-art human-safe systems, paving a secure path to true efficiency, proven by a fast ROI. Feel the flow of automation. AMR by KUKA.
Industrial intelligence.